Hello guys, another video from my car as every Saturday. Not that much about Laravel and PHP, but more about career productivity and stuff like that. And today I want to talk about procrastination. Specifically, if you received a big task, it actually may vary where to apply my idea. It may be a big task, it may be a new project that you're not familiar with. So recently I noticed if I tackle a big tutorial or a course, I tend to procrastinate. And after doing some reading on procrastination, I realized it's many people's problems, almost for everyone. It's really hard to start something which is overwhelming. And then when I realized what helps me is to start with something small. So imagine, you received a task on a new project, maybe even legacy code, which you don't know anything about, you haven't worked with that project before, and where do you even start? So my advice would be to run one page of the project and change a small detail. So change any text, any semicolon, introduce a bug and see what happens. So write any code that would change the behavior, even if not related to your task directly, but you would see the first result from something you did. Similarly to me, if I work on a bigger tutorial, which is really overwhelming, I start with something like writing one piece of code for that for one of the cases of the tutorial, or read about a specific subtopic of the tutorial, or research on Larakas forum, or Google something. So some first result from a small subtopic on the main bigger topic. So your goal is to get the momentum going. Your goal is to work for 5 minutes instead of procrastinating for 3 hours. So if you keep thinking, oh, I don't know where to start, I don't know, it feels overwhelming, why am I given this task? Then you're questioning like life's purpose and stuff like that. Instead, just do something really small. It may have surprising consequences to your brain, how your brain would think about the problem. So if you transform your brain from thinking into action, then your brain may follow into wanting more action, which would lead to the actual progress on the bigger task. So yeah, this is kind of a short advice. If you're overwhelmed by a task or by a project, just start with something. That's it for this time, and see you guys in other videos.